dispose of a, dispose of a, part with a, part with a, cut down of cut a down, cut down of cut a down, aim at a, aim at a, hold back of hold a back, hold back of hold a back, back up on back up, back up on back up, take up a, take up a, answer for a, answer for a, point out a, point out a, run over a, run over a, long for a, long for a, keep to a, keep to a, insist on a, insist on a, leave behind it leave a behind, leave behind it leave a behind, ask after a, ask after a, agree with a, agree with a, agree to a, agree to a, go over a, go over a, see off, see off, cut off a cut it off, cut off a cut it off, keep off a, keep off a, concentrate on a, concentrate on a, persist in a, persist in a, amount to a, amount to a, make out of make out, make out of make out, look over us look over, look over us look over, look into a, look into a, go through a, go through a, come by a, come by a, dispense with a, dispense with a, side with a, side with a, lay aside of lay aside, lay aside of lay aside, account for a, account for a, come across a, come across a, care for a, care for a, set up a set a up, set up a set a up, put forward a put a forward, put forward a put a forward, write down a write a down, write down a write a down, talk over a talk a over, talk over a talk a over, stand by a, stand by a, add to a, add to a, call up a call a up, call up a call a up, leave out a leave a out, leave out a leave a out, hit on upon a, hit on upon a, arrive at a, arrive at a, refer to a, refer to a, pick out of pick a out, pick out of pick a out, take in a take a in, take in a take a in, put out of put a out, put out of put a out, single out a single a out, single out a single a out, keep up a keep a up, keep up a keep a up, take back of take a back, take back of take a back, take up a, take up a, turn up a turn a up, turn up a turn a up, look on upon a as b, look on upon a as b, see to a, see to a, wait on a, wait on a, carry on a, carry on a, feel for a, feel for a, let down a let a down, let down a let a down, break down, break down, show up, show up, turn up, turn up, stay up, stay up, look out for a, look out for a, hang up, hang up, come out, come out, look on, look on, come to, break in on a, break in on a, set down, set down, pull up, eat out, eat out, break out, break out, break up, break up, pass away, come about, set out, put up at a, stand out, make off away, cut in, cut in, go off. Go off. Keep up with a. Keep up with a. Make up for a. Make up for a. Come down with a. Come down with a. Fall short of a. Fall short of a. Cut down on a. Cut down on a. Go on with a. Go on with a. Go in for a. Go in for a. Get away from a. Get away from a. Look back on upon a. Look back on upon a. Get on with a. Get on with a. Get down to a. Get down to a. Look up to a. Look up to a. Look down on a. Look down on a. Live up to a. Live up to a. Come up to a. Come up to a. Catch up with a. Catch up with a. Drop in at a. Drop in at a. Stand up for a. Stand up for a. Stand up to a. Stand up to a. Give in to a. Give in to a. Sign up for a. Sign up for a. Make do with a. Make do with a. Fill in for a. Fill in for a. Talk out of be doing. Talk out of be doing. Excuse forgive a for b. Excuse forgive a for b. Name a after for b. Name a after for b. Present a with b. Present a with b. Order a from b. Order a from b. Supply a with b. Supply a with b. Tell a from b. Tell a from b. Distinguish a from b. Distinguish a from b. Add it to b. Add it to b. Compare it to b. Compare it to b. Devote a to b. Devote a to b. Ask b of a. Ask b of a. Ask a for b. Ask a for b. Leave a for b. Leave a for b. Attribute it to b. Attribute it to b. Congratulate a on upon b. Congratulate a on upon b. Regard a as b. Regard a as b. Exchange a for b. Exchange a for b. Depend on upon a for b. Depend on upon a for b. Look to a for b. Look to a for b. Impose a on b. Impose a on b. Treat it to b. Treat it to b.